How to manage muted accounts on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage muted accounts on Twitter. First, go to Twitter and then go here and go to settings, and now click this one, privacy and safety, and now you need to find this one, mute and block. Click on it and then click here, muted accounts, and here you can manage your muted accounts. I don't have any muted accounts, but you will see here if you have muted accounts, and you can manage them. And that's how you manage muted accounts on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.